Padaba ka.
I love you. In Bacolod, I love you means palangga ka. Mahal kita, or if we're speaking to multiple people, mahal ko kayo. Ay ayatan ka.
Palangga ta ka o gihigugma ta ka.
Mahal kita.
Ang Bisaya sa I love you kay gihigugma ka nako.
Gihigugmati ka.
Mahal kita. Gihigugmati ka.
Mahal kita. Gihigugmati ka. Mahal kita. Gihigugmati ka.
The most common one in general would be in Bisaya, which is gihigugmati ka.
There are three. I think there are three languages. Gihigugma tika, mahal tika, o palangga tika.
It is I love you or I love you. Aloha wow iyaol.
We say, I love you or palangga taka in Hiligaynon.
We say gihigugmati ka or I gugma you.
Mahal kita, sinta kita, iniibig kita.
Well, we expressed our love by saying inihigugma ko ikaw.
In Tagalog, we say, mahal na mahal kita, mahal ko.
In Mandawi, gihigugma taka.
Mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
Different way of saying I love you in English is basically by saying, you're my favorite person.
Mahal na mahal kita. It could be mahal kita or iniibig kita.
Maran ko rin a.
Gidahigugma takaw.
Kaluguran da ka. Inararo ta ka or I love you.
Mahal na mahal kita. Mahal kita, iniibig kita, sinisinta kita.
Hayat ka.
Mahal kita, iniibig kita, o sinisinta kita. I love you, that's gihigugmati ka. For English, we say I love you. For Tagalog, we say mahal kita. For Taglish, we say love kita. We simply say I love you, but at my house, they say, kumain ka na ate.
Ginihigugma ko ikaw.
In Taguig, when we say I love you, we say mahal na mahal kita. But in my mom's native tongue, Rinconada, we say mahal ka mo namin.
Gihigugmati ka.
Gihigugmati ka.
Ay ayatan taka.
In English, I love you. But I think it's so much more than that when you are showing it through your body, through your affections.
Inaro kata.